All right, here we go. Grab your kettlebells, 1 minute each move. We're going after it in 3, 2, 1. We're gonna go to high pulls. Keep your stomach nice and tight. We're getting right into business, baby. Right into business. Now remember, I'm to the edge of that chair. Remember, you don't wanna be all the way into the chair. You wanna be at the edge of the chair so you can get a much better motion. Keep those abs locked in. Please keep your stomach tight. If your stomach is not tight, that means your back is gonna get messed up. Keep that core locked in. Come on, breathe. This burn happens pretty fast. Oh yeah. Let's go. We have 10 seconds. This is a fast workout, but you know what? It's effective. You'll be surprised at what you can do throughout the day. Do this multiple times throughout the day. Okay, now I'm gonna go into a swing. And I'm using the elbows. As I come up, I'm pressing through those thighs, and it's helping me to carry the kettlebell up to the top. Woo! Oh yeah, that feels good. And if you look at where I'm coming, my elbows are bent when I come up to the top, okay? I'm not coming out like straight out here. I'm bending my elbows, looking straight ahead. There we go. We're gonna go to single arm overhead presses, but we're gonna alternate it for every 5, okay? The clock is gonna go off in about 15 seconds, and we're gonna go right into it. I'm watching you. Let's go. Your stomach is not tight enough, by the way. Tighten those abs up. Lock them in. Woo! Oh yeah. We got this. The clock goes off in 2 seconds. All right, now here it is. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna press up. I'm gonna bring it across and press up. Got it? I did say 5, but I'm gonna just do 1 at a time. I started on my left, so I need to finish on my right. So remember the side where you started. Every time I drive it up, I'm focusing on that breath, inhaling, exhaling. When I bring it across, I'm holding my hands into the edge of that curve on the kettlebell. Woo! The kettlebell is my favorite piece of equipment. Trust me, number 1. If anybody knows me, they knows that the kettlebell is my favorite piece of equipment. It's not the chair, it's not dumbbells, it's not barbells. It's the kettlebell. The clock is gonna go off in 10 seconds. Let's go, baby. Come on. Woo, 3 seconds. All right, good. We're gonna go to side bends. I'm gonna go for 30 seconds on one side, then go to the other side. I'm staying up nice and tall. The taller I am, the harder it is for me to smack the floor with that kettlebell. When I start to slouch, it makes me closer to that ground. So I want you to focus on just keeping everything tight. We have about 5 more seconds on this side, and then we go across to the other side. You got this, come on. 3, 2, 1. All right, bring it over, and let's go. Ooh. If you're doing this the right way, I'm telling you, you should feel that burn happening right now. Remember, very light weights is not gonna give you the resistance that you need. When the weights are too light, you're basically playing games. I don't want you to play games. I want you to work those muscles. You got it? Oh yeah, the clock is gonna go off in 3 seconds. We're gonna do a little bit of legs. If you can't do this one, then do another exercise that we did earlier to modify. So all I'm doing is rocking forward and back. I'm using the momentum to carry myself off that chair a bit. I'm not standing all the way up. I'm just rocking back and forth. Keeping that stomach tight, getting a good grip on the kettlebell. Elbows are tight to the body. I don't want myself to flare out like this. You're gonna fatigue your shoulders. Come on. Yep. Woo, we're doing great. We have 25 seconds. Whew. Okay, let's go. Come on, keep on breathing. Don't stop. The clock is gonna go off in 10 minutos. 10 minuto. Minuto, something like that. Anyway, my Spanish sucks. That's why I'm Jamaican, I'm not Spanish. And it is over. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Nice and quick, easy. Let me tell you something. When I say easy, I'm not talking about the intensity, I'm not talking about the workout, I'm talking about the time. You cannot tell me that you don't have 5 minutes to work out. You cannot tell me that your day is too busy that you don't have 5 minutes to add to your life, okay? I don't care how much money you're making. I don't care how much kids you got. I don't care how much of an at-home mom you are. You could be a grandmother. Listen, I'm always gonna give you something that you can do. Not every workout is made for everybody. Some people can't do the squat part. Some people can't do the side bends. But find what you can do. Stop telling me you can't do it. And here's the next thing. I am a virtual coach. I don't know any of you, okay? When you ask me personal questions like, can I do this if my knees are messed up? Or my doctor said this and this, can I still? Please don't ask me those questions. I'm not your doctor. I'm not your personal coach. I'm not your personal trainer because I don't know you in person, right? So when I put the content out, I put the content out with my subscribers in mind, but everybody has their own different things going on. So what I recommend for you to do is to look through the video, play it, look at it for a second, right? Make sure you watch the video and you take notes as to what looks doable for you. And if something isn't doable for you, then guess what? Guess what? You can change it up. So if I'm doing the squat and that doesn't work, guess what? Bring the legs up. Do something different as long as you are moving, baby. That's what I'm talking about, okay? So please, stop asking me personal questions that I cannot answer. Anything medical, I will not answer it. If you ask me anything nutritional-wise, I will not answer it because that is against the law of what I do, okay? Come on, we gotta keep things real here. All right, anyway, love you. Don't forget, your body is just a body until you make it a temple. Just make it a temple and get rid of those excuses. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later. Peace.